Here it is, produk makeup dari Peach Cosmetics. Ini black waterproof eyeliner yang aplikatornya kuas. Terus ada blusher yang shade-nya red vivid. Nah, kalau yang ini mascara waterproof and curling black. Kalau yang packagingnya lucu ini lip cream velvet matte nomor 7. Next ada waterproof eyebrow pencil and sponge. And then ada eyelight pencil waterproof yang silver. Last but not least, 10 colors eyeshadow dari Color Series yang warnanya suka banget. Semua produk brand lokal keren ini bisa kamu dapetin di Peach Cosmetics Official di Shopee.
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours. Just as light could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like.